Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing recipe for chicken nachos. Spicy, saucy cooked chicken layered with tortilla chips and lots of cheese. We will bake it in the end and then top it off with a favorite topping. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First we're gonna cook our chicken. For that I'm taking boneless chicken, adding some taco seasoning and red chili powder. Mix everything well. I will leave the link for taco seasoning in description box. Now I'm heating up some olive oil in a fry pan and layering my marinated chicken in a single layer and cook it on a medium to high flame until one side of the chicken is get nice and crispy charred color and it cook through, then flip and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes again on a medium to high flame. Now you can use chicken fillet as well for this recipe. I only had the boneless chicken at home, so I used that today. And when the chicken is completely cooked from both sides, I'll take out the chicken and using the same fry pan, I'll be making some sauce. For that I'm adding some water and a can of tomato sauce and mix it well. Until then we're gonna go and see our chicken. But now we need to shred the chicken. If your chicken is cold enough to do it by hand, you can do that, or otherwise use 2 forks and shred them completely. Now until now our the sauce is cooked through and it comes to one boil. Now add all those shredded chicken pieces in the sauce and cook on medium to high flame until sauce thickens up and you will have a saucy chicken mixture. Put this on the side, and for this nachos I'll be using some pepper jack and cheddar cheese today. You can ideally you have to use Colby jack, but you can use any cheese which your family like. To assemble it, I layered tortilla chips and to oven safe platter. Add the chicken and then I'm adding both of the shredded cheddar and pepper jack. Now I'll repeat the same layer. So after putting up the cheese on, I'll add some tortilla chips again with chicken and then both of the shredded cheese. Now we'll put it in the oven, which is already preheated on 350 degrees, and we'll bake it until cheese is completely melted and bubbly. And it depends on the oven setting and it depends how you like it, but it will take like around 15 to 20 minutes. As soon as it comes out from the oven, we can add our favorite topping. Today I'm adding some chopped up tomatoes with some crushed up black olives. You can add some jalapenos, cilantro, or whatever your family or your kids like. And your chicken nachos are ready to serve. In the end, I just top it off with some sour cream. This recipe is so perfect since kids are home these days. You can make this chicken ahead and keep it in the fridge, or this chicken is so versatile that you can use this chicken in different other recipes as well. And if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.